What we have here is House Thermite Robotic Firefighting RS3. This is typically used to fight fires, but since COVID, we knew we wanted a solution, a robotic solution that could also disinfect large areas at a single time. So what we did was we developed a trailering system that actually houses almost 300 gallons of disinfectant solution. This solution gets put to a pump and then gets pumped to this nozzle where it aerosols that solution in a large spray pattern and can disinfect major parking lots and industrial environments. So as you can see here, this is the Thermite robotic solution, firefighting robotic solution that is now dispensing a disinfectant. And it's covering quite a large area as it goes by these cars. The reason that it's important to have it robotic is it removes the human element from the dangerous area. So you can literally drive this robot through parking lots, through industrial areas, but through areas that might be a little bit dangerous. And you can do it without the person actually being on the ground. As you can see, the robot's pushing forward and it's just slowly disinfecting this whole area. So we're always looking to push the envelope at House Technologies, and this was the first step for creating that disinfectant capability with the RS3, and this is the second step. This atomizes that disinfectant. It really allows it to actually spread and do its job. This can be used in large buildings and manufacturing facilities, parking garages, where you can actually drive it robotically up to a window, and you can put it through the window, and you can aerosol all of that disinfectant through that whole building with this ventilator. You can also drive it through double doors, get it on the base floor, and it can be articulated, it can go up and down. So it really allows this robot to be used in many different ways, from the plow to the 2,500 gallon per minute firefighting nozzle, to the disinfectant nozzle, and the ventilator system, to towing the trailer. This thing is really a pretty good package. What I wanted to demonstrate here was that this robotic firefighting solution, Thermite RS3, can put out a fire within 5 minutes of dispensing the disinfecting solution. And all we had to do was change the tank out the back. This tank is just a water and foam tank. We quick disconnected the other tank with the disinfecting solution. We threw this tank on. And what's nice is that this whole system is completely self-contained. It's completely self-contained with no hoses going to it at all, no electrical wires going to it at all. It is its own system, its own robot. You can roll it into a situation, put out a fire robotically, create the standoff you need,